Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. So selling the digital products on this platform like the ebooks, files, courses, templates, music, etc. It's straightforward. So you just need to set up the products and the delivery system. So at first guys, you will need to create your Shopify store. So if you don't have one yet, just sign up at Shopify and pick a theme like down so it's clean and free. And afterward you will need to install a digital delivery app that's required. So Shopify doesn't automatically deliver files, so you need an app, and the recommended one is the digital downloads, right? Or Sky Pilot, even the easy digital product. So we are going to go with the digital downloads. So to do that guys, you will need to go with the settings on the left hand menu. It's on the bottom, and then just go with the apps right here, then go with Shopify App Store. So you will need to add this file monk, right? So Shopify App Store right here, and then just go with the search bar at the top and look for the digital download, right? So this one, and here you will need to look for the file monk. Click it because it's built for Shopify, and then go with install here, confirm the installation, and then just pay the bills for the subscription. Okay, so it's not free. As you can see here, the free plan available and the free trial available, and then you will need to pay for the monthly or the yearly subscription. So once set up, you will need to go back to the Shopify right here and then just create your digital products. Okay, so go with the products right here, go with add the products, and then give it a title. So for example, you can go with the Instagram growth guide PDF, for example, and here on the description type what they get and the benefits, and on the media you will need to provide them with the images like the ebook cover preview and set a price, then go with save. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.